We're going to talk about how to do an extra credit topic. Here we are on the syllabus and homepage. I'm gonna go down and past all this litter, good litter. You have extra credit right here. It's available in a couple forms. The most common form is double space typed in English, informal composition, or reflection. Reflection, I can't stress enough. It's got to be just a reaction in the first person singular. You talk about I, what you did, what you thought. I don't even need a title at the top of it. Just talk about how you research your topic. You YouTubed it. You did biography.com. You did Wikipedia, that type of thing. It's worth a full quiz grade, and there's really no way you can have it. It can be incomplete, and you have to put some changes onto it, add some things. But other than that, it's a 100 quiz grade once it's accepted. So you go to the Documentos Generales folder up here, Pages and Files, Documentos Generales. Here it is. There's a couple of things in there, but you have extra credit topics. These are all pre-approved. If you want to write about something else, you need to check in with me. But all these things, like I said, you either just YouTube them. You can YouTube, Wikipedia, some of these people, biography.com, just Google them. And then, of course, I want your what you think about everything, your opinions. And also, if you're on a Wikipedia page, for example, and you know all those blue hyperlinks, if your topic brings you in another way, that's okay too. Talk about that in your extra credit, how maybe, for example, you started with Fidel Castro and decided you were going to look into Che Guevara and talk about why you found him interesting. So these are due at any point in the trimester, and once you get going on one, you can guarantee that we'll get it done. So I've Googled Gaspar Jovellanos just to come up with some things. The idea here. All right, we see when he was around. He's around during the Enlightenment. You have some other interesting stuff. Historian, a language. Click on that. Look, it's hyperlinked. Talks about a language, Romance language. Okay, in Spain, he was a big advocate of it. That's interesting. Joseph Bonaparte. Who's that? There's another thing. Napoleon's brother. He was the king of Spain. Bet you didn't know that. So you can write about that. Something you didn't know. Also, up here we YouTubed them. You have some interesting stuff about his biography. 3 parts. Could watch that. Half an hour would be a lot. But there's a painting of him at the Prado done by Francisco de Goya. Interesting, master painter. So you can talk about Goya. You can do an extra credit on him alone. There's a picture of him at his desk. We have Answers.com biography. Very influential as an advocate of economic and social reform. Remember, this was during the Enlightenment, so more thinking about people being treated equally. I also Google imaged them. You have some old guy here that somehow snuck in there. You see a book on him. That's interesting to know. Probably a biography. Definitely a biography on him. So you could Google that. Stamps. Also. So there's all kinds of ways. And what you could do is just talk about the process of looking at the various resources on the web.